hey, you want to check out my home studio craft shop workspace? I make handmade toys right here in my basement. It's very packed right now. Some of the toys we make little quiet books that you can see along the ledge there, some fun little small world play sets. I'll show you those, but here's also where I keep all of my quiet book pages, and then stock also the small world play sets here. My work is a lot of play, so I have a lot of fun. And it's so colorful and inspiring. All the different quiet books here, there, come personalized. This is one of my very first products. It's a little Hot Wheels roads car mat here where you can drive the car around. This one is a little fairy garden small world play set where you can, has a little fairy door and a little peg doll fairy that you can play, make up little stories. It's so cute. This is another one of my really popular items. It's a dino world, and it comes with this volcano that has this lava ribbon that is so sensory and fun to play with. And you can make it explode. What else do I have here? Oh, a brand new fishing game. Coming out soon, but it's got all the little different sea creatures and a little wooden fishing rod so that you can catch the fish. I can't do it single-handedly. I've also got things like these Snap Links toys, which are great for fine motor skills. You snap them together, and they're just thick, durable felt strips. Kids love playing with these and getting creative with them. There's so many different things that you can do. I can't pack it all into a quick little video, but please go to the website and check it out. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I will answer. I'm Sasha. This is my company. And you can find me at tinyfeats.com.